People jealous me. Some people jealous me because of my beauty. I will not mind them. I will not mind them. I will not mind them because of my husband. Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me because
body goes now, my body you. Yes, I. Now wow.
hey! Cinema! I talk am say dem send this girl to come destroy my marriage. This angel girl, I don't carry your matter go God in prayer. You don't come physically. I fight you spiritually, you come physically. Eh? Now to come hang her big nyash pants front of my house so that what thing will happen? You see as they take they seduce people husband. Eh? You see am now. If I talk, then say I talk. Them say I talk. Abi? No problem. No problem. Every demonic pants wey wan destroy my husband, e no go work. Father Lord, I destroy every demon of big nyash trying to destroy my home. Na Holy Ghost fire, anointing oil. Now I go take finish this one. She don't know me. By the time I take her to God, by the time I move mountains on your behalf, next time now this broom I go take flog shege come up for her body.
Yeah, Alice, why are you like this? Eh? Why would you put someone on this in the dustbin? Eh? What is it with you, Alice?
Oga landlord, will they owe you rent? Because if we know they owe you rent, then nothing join me and you together. If Hanyash they enter your eye, close up.
Here!
The undies I hung here? Who removed the undies? Who is the idiot that removed the undies that I hung here? Alice.
Did they swear for you?
Alice!
Alice kill you there. I removed the big pants you put here. What did they worry you? Come out your eye for my husband, body. Of all the places to you to hang your pants, na front of my own matrimonial home. You don't go hang them for back or when they hang cloth or you don't hang them for your room, your bathroom. No. Bring them, make I go do best spread for my room now.
I don't understand. Should I hang it on my head? Is there a special place where they hang on this again, Alice? What is all this trouble? Are you mentally stressed?
Oh, you are just finding out.
Alice.
We go know who know they all right for this compound.
Alice, why are you like this? Eh? This is a public hanger, and anyone is free to hang anything on it. I saw her when she was throwing your pants in the dustbin outside.
Alice, you threw my own.
Okay, no. As you don't talk am now, you dey happy.
Alice, so you threw my pants.
How you feel?
Alice, so you threw my pants.
How you take build house with this bad character? What do you want to do?
You threw my pants. You threw my pants.
So you get mind.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do? You cannot do nothing.
Nothing, no.
Rubbish.
Nothing. Eh? So you dey ask that question?
Alice, stop. Alice, stop.
If I give you,
Alice, stop.
Oga Money. Your wife don't dey fight again for compound o.
Who too?
She dey there, they fight now. Everybody dey hold am. She no gree. Oga Money, you need make you go check now. Me, I wan go buy something. I say make I tell you. Me, I don't go.
Alice, stop. Alice, it's enough.
Landlord,
It's enough.
Landlord, you hand supposed to touch you.
Alice.
I'm supposed to touch you.
Don't bite me.
I bite you.
Don't bite me.
I hear what you want to do.
Don't bite me.
What do you want to do?
Alice.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Alice.
Shey you dey hear wetin you dey talk? Shey you dey listen to yourself? Sometimes you go dey talk like person wey im head open, dust enter inside. How pants wey spray on top hanger go carry seduce me? Like say I dey mad abi baby. Pants wey just hang jeje wey no call your name. How we go carry seduce human being? Use because of pants. Person wey no call your name hanging pants for there. Use am because of that they fight.
You know say una wey be men, una no get sense. Na make women dey get una anyhow. As a smart person wey I be, I don check am. Say why this girl leave backyard come front come hang her pants in front of my house o? Because she know the time wey my husband dey come. And the way she take position am, if she just dey come back, na that pant you go see. Next thing you go begin to imagine the size of her breast, the size of her pant, the size of her bum bum. Next thing seduction don't start. Even if you think say you fit control yourself, this thing no fit control himself. I mean I no go just sit down watch another woman come collect my man. I go act. I go protect you.
So if I see pants, I go now dey imagine to do wetin with her. Ali, stop this thing where you dey do. I dey warn you. Stop this thing where you dey do. No be only us dey this area. I hope say you know. No be only because some people wey don live for this compound since 10 years, they never hear their voice. We will never tell where we dey live here. Everybody for this area don sabi us. If you go here Basera place, na our matter dey carry for mouth. If you go this Salu woman place now, na all they dey talk about. Tell me wetin this old man do you now when you go bite am. You go bite landlord.
Bonny.
You bite landlord.
Bonny. Landlord dey put him mouth for small pikin matter. So because of strangers now, because of outsiders, you dey shout for me. You dey shout for me.
You be muggle. You see you. I dey warn you. We are there jeje wey be say I dey pass through hell. My motor spoil, I dey find way to repair. You carry another problem put for my head. Because I marry you.
You see that means I was right. The fact say I even react like that. See as you dey shout to me on top small girl matter. See as you dey shout for me on top small pikin matter because say she big, carry breast, carry nyash, abi.
My God.
Eh?
God. You no do me well like this, so. You no do me. You talk say he that findeth a wife findeth a good thing. Wetin me I find that na wahala o. Na problem me I find that every now and then o.
Just leave God make e dey cure cancer, no stress am.
Alice, if you like as I dey comot now, make you fight the whole neighborhood. Yeah? Make they fight it, but if they call me, I swear to God I no go come out again. I no go ever come out again because I see say you no go change. I don't know why landlord dey call me. If you be say another problem now. If you be saying another problem now, when you say you won't see me, go buy the old man for hand when don't do you anything. No wahala. Let me bring this upon myself. Okay, I beg. Even this beg where I won't beg now, you don't even tire me, cause me I don't beg before. I don't even count how many times, but you be man like me. You feel be my papa. Make me no pursue us come out. That's all my life. That's how I carry see my life. The thing self don't they tire me, but what thing we go do? I beg,
This is
I beg,
what
sir.
you said the last time. Look, your wife's bite. Just because I was separating her from fighting. Look at the 3-bedroom at the back. Since the tenant packed out, no one has agreed to pack in. All because of your wife's wahala. Can't you see what I mean?
God, I just see him. I don't know what she see for here when she won't bite. Which meets the way she won't now bite come out. If nobody say she like wahala. But, sir, I promise say I go dey talk to her. I believe say tomorrow she go change. Because myself, I don't understand. I don't understand.
You are a good man now.
Thank
You
God
don't
say you
deserve
know.
all these troubles from a woman.
That's what I see my life for.
But just the last time, if she tries anything again, it's quick notice.
Thank you, sir.
One time out.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
It's quick notice, so.
Thank you, sir.
Last time.
It no go happen again.
No more begging.
It no go happen again, sir. It no go happen again. Ha! It's life.
Which one is not? What is it? What happened?
Oh, now you remember say you get wife. In the afternoon, you busy dey support stranger. You don't know say you go need me. Make everybody day their day. As I day my day, you day your day.
Alice, which one be this one again now? So if you do wrong thing, make I no correct you.
Correct.
What thing they bad say you do wrong thing? Another person go correct you. No be me go correct you.
I beg. Just hang all those correctional nonsense. Back am. Bonnie, you no go touch me. You see as me and you deal with the keep malice 10 days.
10 days? You and who they do that one?
Now me don't do am. Start am.
Me and you go there 10 days. I better stop this. If not joke, stop am.
Bonnie! Makachuku, I bite your nose.
At least I don't understand how you go dey deny me what I pay for. I no owe your papa. I pay everything when they tell me make I bring. So which one be say 10 days? You and who they do that one?
Bonnie, if I won't even consider you, you go kneel down, beg me. You go start by singing one song. When you finish, you recite your apology. Then that one fit soften my mind.
Make I write formal letter.
Okay.
For what I pay for.
No problem, leave her now.
At least me will do this thing. Everybody sleep.
Bonnie.
So now to sing now, you want make I sing for you?
Yes.
So if I sing for you now, you're happy. Okay, make I sing. I don't know what thing will create for there. Man must do plenty things before he chop. What I will sing now? Yes, we will release one track, John. Me and you will live as one. Me and you will live.
Which kind of song be that? I will never cheat on my wife. Never cheat on my wife. I will never look at any girl anymore. Sing her like that. Sing her.
I'll never cheat on me. I'll never cheat. How you carry sing now? I'll never cheat. But I not cheat on you now. I'll never choose on my wife anymore.
Alice! Alice! What is wrong with you? Eh? Am I too small that you cannot see me? You cannot open your mouth and greet? Eh, Alice?
Oga landlord, I think they say salutation is not love. If I don't greet you, will you die?
Oh, I can see you are going mad, Alice.
Oh, I'm the one that is going mad. I dey waka jejeje on my own. Now you dey under sun, they shout my name. Am I owing you, Oga landlord? Eh? Do you see me in your dream? Am I owing you rent? Everywhere, Alice, Alice, Alice. If I just carry chair now, come sit down for front of my house, make our two become husband and wife. As now waiting, they hungry you. See, ma tell you, you dey very lucky. You see that quit notice who you plan say you won't give my husband, and she don't give her. Oga landlord, because I swear, hand for touch you. You don't know me, oh. You don't know me. You won't give my husband quit notice. Me, by myself, I go spread the news everywhere, including that your wife, she go hear him. You think I don't know, say, you dey follow my ma? Oga will go wife. Think I don't know? I know. I for use this my mouth, cast you. I for use this mouth, finish your marriage. You don't know. I know say na your wife money take the buga, take the buy wristwatch, they buy shoe. As you no get work, they find waiting no find you, waiting no loss.
Alice!
Avoid me.
Alice!
Avoid me.
Alice!
Because if I get your time,
final, you are getting that quit notice.
see this one. I go first beat you before I come out for this compound. This one no one know me. Try me. Just try me.
Push! 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 Push, push! Push! Push, push! Oh yeah. Push. No go front, no go back. Push, push, push am, push am. Push am now. Push, push. Oh. Push am.
I don't tell you every day. You go spoil today, you go spoil tomorrow. You go spoil today, you go collect another boss. Or go trade this one or something.
No, they talk like this, Alice. You know, say that this thing they put food for our table. Na me cause am. Eh? You know as things where they drive. No be motor where I drive come out from us now I come off. I don't say go off for here. Just push, make we just manage and reach that junction. Make my guy change plug.
Shout for me now. Now who? If not be your village people they do you for this motor, you go be all those girls who they carry inside this bus. Big fat women. You don't know say woman yash they spoil motor. You don't know. They carry fat women with fat lap for front.
Which kind? I don't understand. Waiting bring woman for this talk now. Eh? Push this thing and make we reach junction. You they talk waiting don't make sense. This is where they talk now, not be off point. How woman carry the spoil motor? Waiting concern woman now. Eh? I don't say the car go spoil. No be car where we just drive from house reach here. I don't say it go spoil. I bet push this thing, make we reach junction.
Go better me go call those fat girls, make them push them because me, I dey go market. I go just the trek they go, enter another bus.
And is this the way they talk now? Joke, they joke, I be waiting. Eh? You dey go market, so when me waiting happen now?
I go my market by myself.
So which means say you go just leave me here? Alice. Alice.
I just dey advise you. I dey advise you make a call.
Alice. Alice.
Bonnie, make a call. Make a call.
Alice. Alice, you really get mind though. You know say you get mind. Alice. Why I know too much like this?
My phone. I better leave that phone inside my husband's motor. Hey, God. I will come begin work and go back. I will go collect the phone.
No, now. Ogunlade streets now. I beg if they come, carry plug. I dey suspect plug. I beg. Come now. Since today, I never do anything. I beg. No wahala. Carry plug. If possible, carry engine oil. But I don't been change oil last week now. This is not be oil matter. No wahala. They come now, I beg. Now, eh? Okay.
I beg, how much you want?
Just give me 2. But this your water leaf no fresh. Eh? Waiting fresh. Now so fresh water leaf they be. But I like as they help your mama. Eh? You should say your eye reach you grand. That's so woman supposed they do.
Bonnie!
No be.
Oh! So you are the you are the one.
Alice!
Alice, what?
What happened?
I never even reached market.
Alice, what did they do you?
What did they do who?
No, they ask you what did they do you?
What did they do who?
What did she do you?
2 minutes
Why
just
you
waka.
going to push me like this? Why you even push me?
They talk, you they talk. What did you do? Where they beat you?
Why you throw my market?
Come on, I don't want you.
Bonnie,
What did they do you?
I never even say one by market.
So make you push motor. No, come fight.
what say you want is who good? I mean, what you they say?
Now me tell her, now me won't buy. Now me tell her, make she sell for me.
You
What
be
did they do
Yoruba
you?
man.
So you scatter my market.
You be Yoruba man.
Mother, go
What
pay
did
for
they this one do, Bonnie?
Go pay
Come
for
on.
What did they this one do?
Alice.
And they talk, you then go.
Alice.
No, you go pay.
Alice.
Go push motor.
Alice.
Go push motor. Make thunder fire you.
Why are you there?
Bonnie,
I don't want
but if
you.
you try me,
I don't want you.
if you try me,
So you leave me here. Let's come back and fight. Alice, I don't want you.
don't collect that.
Give me that.
Now your mama go collect this
Give me
straight.
this tray.
Give my tray today. You go give my tray. You go give my tray. Let's
Alice.
my tray too.
Alice.
But I beg, let me go talk to your wife because I don't do anything. I just
Hold
come
on,
here and
hold on,
you
first.
jeje.
Hold on,
You
I
tell
go-
me say one by market. Now don't come now. See what I
Hold
don't
on,
pass.
wait. See, I go collect them from you. Don't be me the eat tray for head. Hold on. Alice, give me that tray. Alice, give me that tray.
No problem.
Mother, where can my tray they go now?
No worry, I go collect them for you. They come. They come. Wait. Alice, give me that tray. Give me that tray.
Bonnie,
Give me that tray.
try me.
Give me that
Try
tray.
me. Oh, yeah, go home. Go home. Go home. Go home. What are you? What are you?
What's the meaning of this now, Alice?
What's the meaning of what? So of all the men in this world, it is my husband that you have chosen to invest in.
I don't
Are you
understand.
not a fine girl? Can you not get your own man? What is it? Every day you carry plantain, give money. Come get up. Touch am.
Madam, leave my thing for me.
You look at. I will summer your face. I will smash you. What's you now? Leave my market for me now. Leave my market. Smart down. You can make it smart down. My husband. You want his plantain? Plantain. Bewitch am. I'm warning you. Stay away from my husband because the next time I come here, you see, you don't even get shop to sell market. Alice Guinea. Alice Guinea. Alice, they find my trouble. Mama, come on, I go wound you. Don't say they can wait for you. I go wound you. See, I go wound you. I don't get where they go. I go wound you. I don't get where they go. Alice, leave me.
Alice, what thing they do you? What thing be your problem for this life? Why you dey fight people? Why you dey break things everywhere? If they ask you, you go say that because of me.
Before, uncle, no be because of you. You be my husband now. Me, I go protect you with my own. Oh. I no go dey for inside river. Let soap enter my eye. All those useless girls wey dey throw themselves at you. What you want? Make I keep quiet. Make I ignore. For waiting now.
Alice, you know say this thing wey you dey do, they make people think say I dey cheap. If they make people think say anything wey dey under skirt, na so I go carry am. I wan know, you no trust me for this life.
Trust. Vumkama career statement. This your thing, you trust am. This thing wey no get control. Make I can't trust am. Girls wey carry big breast, big nash, everything big. Tell them say me the one I carry na power. I go use am fight. Anybody try me, you go see. Anybody do anyhow, you go collect. Advise them because I no get shame. Anyhow them come, then go collect.
Sure, you know say you dey fight people wey no fight you. For the area, everybody they use us talk, they use us gossip. Say my wife they always fight because of you know say the embarrassment to me, Abi. Sure, you know say the embarrassment.
Anything you do, people must talk.
That one no be problem. Me as I dey so, I dey fight for street, fight for dream. Anyhow them come, I dey agile. Advise them to avoid my husband for peace sake. For peace sake. Don't worry yourself for this matter. Rest. Rest. Me and those girls. Don't put your mouth.
Alice, I dey warn you. I dey warn you for the last time. This embarrassment wey dey cost me. I beg that for my head, everything dey land. I take God beg you. Stop this thing wey you dey do. Stop this thing wey you dey do.
Okay, you don't reach where they want me now.
Stop this thing wey you dey do.
You don't reach where
you don't know what people dey use us talk outside. Stop am.
Now their problem with
that. Say I take God beg you. I take God beg you because at the end of the day, now for my head, you go fall. I beg.
No problem.
I beg.
No problem. Aja 200, Aja 200. Aja.
Aja, how much? Aja.
I beg, try front, where they go? You know they wear clothes. Come out for here,
I beg, I dey go Aja, my brother dey hospital, I beg.
Aja, come out!
Road, now make she enter.
Mama, enter, na beg. My brother dey hospital.
Why you calling?
Mama, beg.
Go out here, why you dey shout?
I dey come now, the boss no want make I enter. Mama, beg. Mama, beg, how much I go pay?
Why you dey make noise for my ear? Who be this one?
Mama, 10,000. I will pay you. Mama, beg. Mama, beg.
You want use me do this, sir? Shift, abeg. Guy, enter, sit down well. You dey mad, enter your own now. Wetin concern you inside this house? Aja. Oh, bros, come in.
Mama, this no good. Go.
Now drive, make a shadow. Who be this one? Excuse me. Mama, we know they go try front.
Is this one?
Well, I know they wear bra for this Lagos. We know they wear bra.
I with my friend.
Exactly. I will give you flying nugget.
Who be this woman now?
Guys, how they go, Jare? When they worry you.
When they
This. See, I go run and tie you. Where they go?
Let me enter.
Where they go? Come on from there. Aja. Small breast don't enter your eye, Abi. You go close them. Turn that kill. Go and kill your brother. Who this boss? You don't see who gonna enter. Now my husband motor will enter. Right, you I go use like if you come down though. Aja. Oh, your change, oh. Come on, all this I want to explain myself. I don't understand that. Aja.
Madam, why you just shout? Just allow me to enter person, please. Which of you this one now?
Aja. When they worry you, give my money.
Which money?
I be the craze. When you go to tell me say I dey speak for you, I look you talk.
Which of you looking for? Allow girls enter, you don't allow them enter. You just speak for person, please.
Na club you dey go. When my mother don't turn to club, where you dey find girls wey go enter.
Hey, shit, I don't even know who married yourself. Now don't I go fire the husband wey married.
What you call it? You dey mad?
Oga, first one, teach me your own.
Come on back, you go shut up.
You dey craze?
Oga,
Why me?
I go talk back.
You know some person wife. You know some person wife. I will kill you.
Yeah, husband, I go kill your husband.
If you complain about my boss, there die. I go kill you. If you complain about my boss, back. Make them come down.
I want to know your husband, sir.
What? Back me the gun down.
What you concern you? Pay your money now.
Pay your money.
Oga, face your front. Face your front. I don't follow you talk.
You be customer.
I be customer. Just for that emotion. Just for that emotion. I be pushing me for emotion.
Bonnie, park. Make this just come down. I don't mark your face.
If I don't reach my destination, I will not come down inside this bus.
Yes. What I said?
Yes. I don't mark your face.
Don't worry now. Make I just catch your husband. I don't blow in the eye. I don't blow in the eye.
You never feel blow the wife eye. Now the husband eye you want blow.
You say you get my money. That's what I fire your husband.
Okay, drive.
Fire your mama.
Your mama too.
I'll go kill you.
Don't follow my mama talk like that.
You don't know your bus stop.
Now lawyer go drop.
You don't know your bus stop.
Lawyer come down for you.
I dey come down for abeg. If I don't reach Abuja, I don't come down. Abeg, make I come down.
Abeg, come down.
Give me your money. Give me your money. Where you go?
Okay, I don't come down. What? You no go come down.
So come down.
Come down.
Don't give me money.
I don't give me money. Don't give me money.
I never reach where I dey go.
I'll carry my wife for front. My girlfriend go enter this money.
I need to press your neck.
You know your lawyer be that. I don't feel reach your lawyer.
Bonnie, enter. Carry and pass the lawyer. We no go stop.
Okay. Okay, no wahala. You know why come down.
You like wahala. You like wahala.
This man, this woman.
No wahala.
No, just see. They go know what. No
I be your bad boy. You talk to me. I girl. I'm head be this. I go call boys now. I be this.
Why I no go shout? Why I no go shout at least? I be no dey okay with this thing, no. I be no dey okay with this plan at all. I no agree. Now you force me, so that I agree. Now see, just today when you come work, you don't fight with everybody. You don't fight with everybody. You don't cause problem for me everywhere. Even people wey nothing concern, you dey fight them. Tell me how we go take make money if I no carry every passenger as well see. Today when you come, you don't decide, I no go carry female, na man I go carry. You don't carry your wahala come park where they walk jeje, where we say I no dey find anybody trouble. You don't carry your trouble, come there. You ask me why they shout.
Me, I don't understand you because you know why they shout. You know now, these customers now, they don't reach like that now. One person no come main market no go miss am now. Other passengers they will go carry. Forget that thing, cool your temper.
Other passengers they will go carry. Like this time people don't avoid my boss. Which one be na waiting? Na waiting. Passenger no be passenger. Why they pursue everybody? No be their money we want. Waiting consign me say I carry woman or I carry man. No be the same passenger they be. So as you dey go now, you don't know say na customers are they miss. How I go carry meet up with my targets?
That place where you dey go, come back from that side. This one where they paralyzed. Make now your plan with that. I will make I no follow you go this work again. Me, I don't become your conductor. Besides, I don't become your conductor. Me, I don't go lose this my job. I love my job. And this marriage, God don't talk and say for better or worse. You know, God says He created women as helpmate, and me, I don't decide how I go take care of people. So no worry yourself. Give yourself peace. Give yourself
See,
peace.
if not like this, you know they follow me go anywhere. You hear what I talk?
Nobody go decide that one.
If not like this, you no go follow me go anywhere. I don't talk and finish.
It's not about what you want. If not like that, plenty things no go happen. My husband.
Come, wetin dey make you laugh now? This thing when I talk now funny. I don't understand you. They laugh me. They tell you what they pass through. They laugh. Not till I stand like this, die. You gonna say the matter serious. What did they make you laugh now?
Boniface, see this matter wey they talk so. I very funny something. No. Wait now, your wife Alice, your conductor. How should they take the hang for the boss? How will they even they cope?
My brother, now be that thing what they tell you. As in, tell me where woman they do conductor. Now they tell my wife say, leave am. You know before you. Not even say she dey do the conductor be my problem. Now the way where she dey cause wahala for me. The kind money where they make before, I know they make am again.
It's on Sam now.
Any woman way near my boss, I saw at least go pursue am. Say make she come on, make she. But they drag and say make she don't enter.
For waiting now.
Now so boys are they carry for my motor. I don't know if na boy scouts. Transportation business, not be anybody where you see he carry. Not be anybody where you see he carry.
So she now the third passenger who you
The third passenger say make I no carry boys. When my man for sure.
That one not dey okay now.
Huh?
You know they okay.
You go tell her truth, say this thing no good, make you change your. She go begin cry wey be say I no beat her more. I know say me I know they like to see her cry. Anytime when she go, I just see her cry. Now so I go just eyes like ice water. Now that one be my weak point. Eh? I beg, I just dey tell you this thing based on say at least if you talk sometimes she dey hear. I beg, make you know as you go help me talk to her. Because me I don't talk. It be like say na that time when they talk say she dey plan to do another one.
Boniface. You know say me, I know how you love that your wife reach. The way you take love that woman, because even when she dey do all this and I been even feel say you could just pursue her come on. But instead you go dey chingom, you go dey gun body. But and my problem now, make sure they take advantage of all those things. They make life they miserable for you. See you will come back from Philippines that time. I saw you're fresh. Your skin they shine like say like fish days inside water. Like say they stay for inside fridge. See you now. You don't even the black pass myself because of say you go marry wife where they give you problem. You go kill yourself.
If that one make you leave her, who they black pass you?
You wait there like this. Now this has been there before when you come back.
You will be like devil sibling. Anyway, no be that one they talk first. No, they remind me what I forget. That one Philippine matter don't pass. And I make say me and the hustle make her for raise money again travel. So leave that one. I bet no they forget. No they remind me what I forget.
But with this one, you raise money so.
I go raise. Don't worry. I beg. Waiting day for the matter with that hand now. Now this thing what they tell you. I beg. Make you help me talk to them. Make you hear me. What I don't they pass Gary? This one don't they pass. Be careful, oh. Because one day you go don't wake up here say your guy don't think wrong man. I they tell you I see bio.
About Jesus. Anyway, no wahala sha. He be my guy. I know if you just the watch shoot inside water soap go enter your eye again. So I go talk to her. If I don't come back from where they go to this afternoon, I will just come and go talk to her.
I beg, just tell her make she leave that. Because say woman no they do conductor. No how you go put her. Say make she leave her. Say you no fit her. Make she dey. Say you know as you go carry talk her. So she go reason and say,
don't worry, leave that one for me. I know what I go do. I go place am in a way because if she go feel understand. I know that she go understand. You understand?
No
from there now we go know how far the matter will go.
No wahala.
Just they too stress yourself. I know say the thing don't they worry you, sha.
Badly.
Calm down, yeah.
No wahala. Bless up.
Make I for find you now. What am I giving me?
No. Now just go inside. Yeah, I get water. Thank you.
Make I for escort you now. Oh wow, this man will kill this guy. No worry, if I talk to him, I will call you. Or if I come bus stop, I go see you for bus stop.
Alice, left for me, I would say you should take things very easy on yourself and that of your husband. This conductor thing is way too huge for me. I don't even buy it at all. You should be at home resting or be doing your normal laundry work.
Small pikin dey worry you. Wetin you know?
Nothing you will talk now.
You know, see me where say for street how me I take suffer. Suffer before I marry. In fact, if the time say I go even marry, I no go believe. Everybody they do wedding and they do Asoebi. Everybody, so they come me Asoebi girl for street. You don't forget. Finally, somebody like Boniface come see me, come marry me. Because he make I just deal, make I leave myself, so that all those small girls go and collect my husband. You know if you work.
Alice, I know, but you.
Waiting. I no fit dey for inside river so go enter my eye. I no fit just sit down make all these fast food girls come collect my husband. Kayamata girls. How much for the money they make for the work they do before 25K? You don't reach anything. Make I quickly follow my husband. Make all of us they follow ourselves, they go.
Hi. Alice, who do you like this? Why you don't ever hear a word? Alice, I still insist though. Even in marriages, there should be soul trust. In anything we are doing. I understand what you're trying to do. But what I'm begging you, please, don't push it. Just be careful so you don't push it overboard or out of proportion.
Nothing like me. I'm protecting my husband. I'm protecting my family and my marriage. And him too, he knows I'm doing it for him.
You have to trust
me
him.
Myself, I'm okay. But for him, I'm doing it for him. To protect him, and he knows, and he appreciates it, even though he doesn't say it, he knows.
Alice, but you have to trust him. What is marriage without trust? Okay, no problem now, if you say so. Wahala. Just about the conducting thing. How is it going?
Son, you finish me.
You see, no, they hear word. Stay for us. You refuse. Now, son, they finish me.
What do you want? 'Cause everything I have belongs to you. My honey, what are you looking for? 'Cause no one else can take me away. Try, you are my sweet melody.
What's happening? Why you know they sleep? My husband. What's happening?
Elizabeth, just leave me. Just
Leave you, say what's happening?
I say make you leave me. Because even if I tell you, it will still no change. So no just stress me. Sleep, I beg.
You be my husband. Why I no go care? Why I no go worry say you dey awake by this time? I been a problem where you and landlord get. Make I go give am uppercut.
It not surprise me. You go feed do am. You never bite am. You don't bite am, you don't nearly chop in ear. Wetin remain to give am uppercut? Not until they pack us, even we no go even the house, they come pack everything comot. Now that one, the full disgrace for the whole neighborhood will complete. Wetin remain? Wetin remain to do what you never do? Now you are just there here they think, because I don't know how I end up like this. I don't know wetin fit bring man and woman to agree to marry. If no be love. If no be love. Alice, you know say I love you so much. You know that one. Because if na woman, I don't see women for this life. Now each year, I from come back to this country. When I dey here, no kind of woman will I never see. From which continent? Ask, Asian girls they fine. Now strippers who I never see, they naked like this, they dance for me. Now women I never see.
Jesus.
Even as I come back to this country, I don't see women tired. But for me, I say, no. Now you, I won't end up with. Woman will go give me rest of mind. Woman will be say, if I come back, she go serve me, I go get peace for house. Now it make I say, now me and you. But even on top that rest of mind I no get. Tell me wetin make you agree say you want to do conductor because say you dey suspect say I fit get something to do with another woman. Tell me how sensible that one dey. Okay, even on top the conductor, you cry. I want to. I say okay, because you know say na him dey take get me. I say agree. But even on top of that, na so kasala you dey cause for there. You dey cause me problem. You dey cause me. Hi. No, I no plan am like this, so I no plan my life like this. Even as I did so many things. My mates dey Philippines, they do well for there. That one alone they pay me. On top this one, you still they cause me problem. This dey cause me problem. Why no fit rest?
That's very bad. That's very bad.
Badder than baddest.
If you define woman, we will give you rest of mind. Why you can't choose me?
You dey ask me?
Because at this point, and it just dey obvious say I no fit please you.
I know too much for this.
It dey obvious say I no get wetin I go do for this life we go please you. You know what it mean for woman to begin to conduct or follow her husband? Na love. Deep love. But obviously, it can never satisfy you. Any small thing I do, you go complain. I don't tire. God, I beg. Now you dey see my heart. You know, see me, I love this man. But as if you say this love, it don't make sense again. Maybe you could just comfort me, just carry me. Make I go do Reverend Sister. Make I use and serve you. Because at this point, I don't tire. I wake up this morning, make I pray for my husband. I meet him now. Now stripper matter in carry come. Every say women will find past me full ground. I don't know how I want to take satisfy this man again. I don't know how I want to take please him. Now only you they see my heart. Now only you they see my heart.
Alice, this thing where they talk, not be what they talk. You know what they talk. You know say I appreciate you as my wife and I love you as my wife. But this problem where it always cause because say they think that they cheat. Now him and they complain. They don't finish. This is why now you don't they cry now. You don't they cry because you know say I know they like to see you cry. Make you understand wetin I dey talk o. Make you understand. No say I dey ungrateful. Because even that conductor, I no beg you to come do conductor. Now because of your doubting spirits, now I make you agree to do conductor. Why I no send you? I don't know why they cry now.
God. That stripper did my husband. I me closer.
Stripper what I thought now before. I don't say I dey go stripper now.
It dey blood. You don't start and be say you don't start am. When money enter now, true color will come out.
Aja, one chance, Aja. Guys, enter. That's it. Move this bus.
Never move. Madam, for hiding, I beg you money now come up for you.
Move this one. Move this bus, I beg no.
You go the one, you got talk this is woman. Me, I know I never harassing, so make me money, me I pay my body. No time, oh.
Make I give am waiting. You want?
Oh, that reason now we go come on your back, yo. Me, I don't get joy, parade, yo.
Record yourself.
You know what in Nigeria they talk?
I tell you, make record yourself.
I saw that they do it.
The boss fool, you go settle now.
Give my money. You know they go anywhere. For where? For where? You know they go.
I go give you flying nothing.
And this give my money.
Madam, you know they go anywhere, Oga.
Baba, wait, they go give you money.
You know they go.
What is it? It crazy.
For where you
I go choke myself out.
I know what I do. Now, that's my woman. Now, she man. I know what I.
It meant. Move this bus, no, they go. Guy,
just imagine. See what you don't cost now. Che body don't cool you down now. I don't know what thing they do you for this life. I don't know who you think say you be. You be Great Kali. Abi you be Hokogan. You don't know say you be woman. You won't go fight Agboro. You find who you go beat na second in command for park. Agboro wey be say he get nothing to lose. If he even stab himself for eye before he go stab you. I tell you, Alice, leave this thing now. So they do. Now so they do for park. If you don't finish, you go settle Agboro. That one na must. I normal thing.
That one na your concern. I don't go tolerate that kind of normal thing. Why I go fear? I mean the chop bottle. See, ma tell you, monkey no go walk, baboon go the chop. I no go work for one goat to come collect the money. It no go happen. The guy no even rate me. He dey look me as girl, as woman. Hand don't touch her now. Hand don't touch her.
Hand don't touch her. You are now who and touch. You carry blood come outside. Now see me the thing fall for my head now. Hand don't touch her.
Me I no beg
every time I go dey think of how to settle our lives. How our life go change. You go there one side they cause me problem. You go there one side they cause me problem. Instead of to give me peace of mind, I go dey think you go.
Me I no understand what you talk. Oh.
God.
No, I no understand. I no understand what you talk. I truly no understand them. Shall I beg you make come fight for me? I be I tell you and if you handle myself. Boy, why I go forget bottle for your neck? I go just leave and there go and do photo shoot. The thing go come and psh. Now here, see. Now there I go leave the bottle. You know, may try me. You see that guy sitting there, so you know fit for in life, try you again. You go to fear, you go need your respect. You understand?
You bring your hand here. I tell you, sir, the fine will give me respect. I beg you that one. Keep your hand steady. This thing be like saying I came in to go.
Why?
You know they see him. Because why get two branches at one thing.
A small thing.
Aja. That's how you go fight am. I be you know they tire. I know go tire. I be you know they tire. I know go tire.
Bro, see they go. Aja.
That one.
Who with that? You know they go. Mama, how far now? Come in. Hold your change. Aja, mama, you they go. Mama carry you for free now. Where did they play? How far now? Enter. Hold your change, oh. Hold your change. How far now? Where you hold this one? I'm gonna open this one for you.
Load something. Say hold this one.
Passenger no dey now. What you want mad do now?
No. 5 passenger for street. Nah, not passenger.
Where want 5 passenger go now?
Hey, you dey go?
No, they go.
5 passenger now. I don't want drink. You never load anything.
Drink. No go die. Don't worry you. Life too soft. Mama, where your change, Abi?
You dey go?
That one no dey go now. Aja.
Calm down now.
Customer no dey. Wetin we go do now?
Come, hey! You dey go?
Where they go, you drive?
Waiting be this now. Go load passenger, they give me drink.
Drink, you don't go die. Passenger no dey, now wetin go? Shebi that make us go come here, come. God, small. If you want follow me talk anyhow, come down for this motor, but you don't stress me.
You go?
You know we dress well. I just leave you because of saying a guy follow you. Where you don't come tell me. Aja, abeg. I don't dey hungry. I go find wetin I go chop.
Which one be fine what you go chop? If you load motor now, you say you find what you dey chop. How much you don't get today?
When they give me money, I dey hungry, abeg. If you don't want to go, come down. We don't dey beg you. Come down if you don't want to go, abeg. Give me money, man, go chop. Especially they sell food for front now. Give me money.
Abeg, do fast, make we come up from here. Ah!
Bros, calm down, I dey come, eh?
No, abeg, no waste our time.
Aja, hold on now. Motor go full before I come out now. Aja! Aja.
Thank you very much. Boniface! Where they go again now? Where they go?
Abeg, they come o. Angel!
How are you?
I do.
Share wahala be this one. The wife don't leave us go buy food. He can't leave us go dey talk. Wetin happen?
What are you doing here?
We dey look for here.
Abi, normal hustle now.
Normal hustle. Almost since when you come up for compound, you don't show green light again.
Abi.
You don't even send us. You don't ask us how you be. I dey hear your doing
I
so.
dey tell you now, God. You know the matter now.
I know.
We must hustle. Well, I got a new job and it has been tasking. I barely have time for myself.
Just say as you
I
don't
just
play.
dey. I'm waiting, man, go do. What you say? You're not bad, though. Boniface or you, Papa?
Say they whine me like this one don't black feeling.
No,
Say,
you look fresh. How is Alice?
Alice dey. Say me I hear say you get 100 by 100 where you buy
My
from the
God,
area.
you know the matter now.
Na blog be that, oh.
Hustling, we must hustle. How is Alice?
Alice dey. All of us been there.
I hear say she be your conductor. How are you coping?
You know say wetin man go do now. She
With
say
that
she
character
want.
where she dey do like winch, so how you dey cope?
She say she want to follow me do the conductor.
Well,
now.
you've always been a good man. You're every woman's choice. So, I'm not saying you don't get problem. You don't
I
get
be
problem.
the team. You know, see, you know how I carry love her now.
Abi.
So as she talk say she want to follow me do the call. Me I say no wahala. Like if that one go make her happy. But she dey try at least. We dey hustle small. And then you go remember me. Oh.
Normal level now.
No be normal level. As I see you here now, you go show me love.
Any woman you see close to Bonnie, that's how you go fight her. I be you know they tire, I no go tire. I be you know they tire, I no go tire. Anywhere you enter, na so wahala you dey cause. Oh, Alice, yeah, Alice, yeah, Alice, yeah, Alice, yeah. Sukwanike, Alice, yeah, Alice, yeah, Alice, yeah. If she see you close to her man, no, whether innocent or not, the fight is no be small fight, Alice, yeah, Alice, yeah, Alice, yeah, Alice, yeah, Sukwanike, Alice, yeah, Alice, yeah, Alice, yeah,
Alice,
Sukwanike,
Alice, what are you doing? Alice, I beg, I won't know, e get any day where you go just wake up from morning till night, you no go cause problem. You no go fight anybody no go fight you. For once, I beg, surprise me now. Surprise me, make I shock. Tell me wetin that girl do you wey deserve that embarrassment. Tell me, wetin she do?
She dey lucky because the plan now for me to chook my hand for her eye, blind am, so that she no go to see you. That girl get mind though. After I don't want her for this compound, she won't call me for corrupt.
She don't know say na me get you. I go show am shege banza. She don't know me.
But at least wetin dey wrong say person see me for road greet me. So because I marry you, if person greets me, I go just face front dey go. Person go turn my enemy because I marry you, Abi.
You don't know say you be married man. The moment you see any girl single or any married woman wey fine, you must do eyes right. Oh, Oga Body, good evening, no. Evening. Afternoon. If you be man, you can turn and greet. But as long as na woman wey wear skirt, eyes right, that's the plan.
Wetin make you marry me now? You for marry imbecile. Or you for marry baby. Where we say person greet, I go dey waka. You know say we don dey talk this thing now, e dey dey you like joke. E dey you like say I dey play, Abi. This thing wey you dey do, one day wey you go kill person, you go know yourself. I don dey tell you now, I don dey shock you for head.
Who be that goat?
This is police. Open the door.
Shey you don see. You dey ask me. You dey ask me wetin I don do. People wey you find their problem don find you come. Shey na wetin you dey find, Abi? Problem don find you come house. Wetin be that?
Pass window go now.
Pass which window? You're in the pass. You don't see problem. You want run. Carry who? I dey go meet them. Yeah? I go meet them. Yeah, hello. Yeah, well done.
Please now. Choma, help me. You know, so we no fit let my husband sleep for that police station.
But you, Seth, why are you saying you can't come with me? Wouldn't that make the whole process easier?
Hey, you know nothing I mean they find come. As the police come in, na window I take flight come out. My husband, I go open door for them. If I go to that station, they will just catch me, arrest me. I beg.
But you, Seth, you too do. But why will you beat that girl like that? Why will you assault her in such a derogatory manner? For what now? What has she done?
No be that one we dey talk. We will talk that one later. How we go take come out for this police matter and I be the issue. I dey call Ejike. You know they pick and call.
Alice, you too the like stress person. Why? Any small thing you go run, come here, come meet me. But now you go find trouble. Oh yeah, wait now. Make I arrange some things. Pack it inside shop.
Okay. Make I help you.
Oh yeah, leave am. To be do.
Alice, I just from police station. They come back, so I don't try everything what I don't do since. Make them for free release and Boniface, but the thing that they work. They just say now till you go kneel down beg Angel, so that make she forgive other. Make them for release Boniface. So as I talk to you, so the commissioner they involved for the issue. This thing they see a big one. I even carry a lawyer go. Make them for fit run the thing sharp. You know they work out. So Choma dey here too.
You see where that girl leg don't work reach. So then a commissioner now she dey follow. You dey see Amabi? I don't tell you. Alice. You see where her waka don't carry her reach.
Alice, that will not be the issue now. All right. The point is that you should go and beg her, so they can release Boniface.
Make me I go beg Angel. If better make I just me, then make I go beg Angel. Make the world just come to end. Make I they go hell. I go carry beds, they go. Than for me to go beg Angel. Me. It don't feel happen no. So that any small thing now she go use me the shine for this company. It no go work. It no go work.
You be like she no dey even understand all this thing what they talk since.
No, she don't understand.
The only problem here and the only solution here and the only option as I talk to you now, go beg Angel, make them for release Boniface sharp. Except you know what, make them release them.
You better make Bonnie just stay there for now until we come up with solution on how to release them. But if not to say I won't beg Angel, I don't say it no go happen. Make una carry best spread go there for am. No go work oh. Right. Make I go beg and finish. Make she can't use me they do here for compound. It no go happen oh.
All right.
It no go happen. We go find another way.
Okay.
No problem. Choma, she dey here wanna come now. I want make Choma dey so I no go be like say I no get witness. Why you see why they do all this now? Because he say Boniface now my very good friend though. Since when in the port and come back from that Philippines, that guy they try for me. I know what that guy don't do for me. That make you see me they pull body, they pull hand, they pull head. I even call lawyer. It is not they work. Anyhow, you know say you go do because I know say the only solution is to go beg that guy. Me now I go still go back their Kurukpe and drivers union. Make I go see their chairman. Make them see what they will still do for.
This is how we say any small thing you're gonna say they deport your husband. Your husband now my best friend. You be like say they happy say they deport him. Because now only your mouth this matter no they end.
Now my very good friend.
And my very good friend with them deport. Which kind two of them match?
I won't make him for go back because all this stuff I don't take too much for here for her.
We here. If not to go back that I don't go beg. I don't tell you. I'm gonna find another way. Go meet their chairman for park.
Doctor Rambo, I don't go my own. No.
Honestly, it be like say you get higher people, you get higher authorities where you feel run things with, where you go talk to.
I don't get anybody.
So why you no one go beg am now? Okay, now you know one beg am, no wahala. Anything where you see, you collect. We don't come share you the information. So I will come they go, but make sure say you don't come my shop. No try am. Now no see your leg for there.
Bonnie. Sorry, me you no vex so. I try everything possible to come out you for that place yesterday, but it no work. It no work, oh. You see, say my fears they confirmed. Yeah? So this Smolina don't even work out so she can't know commissioner. Tell me, she commissioner na her papa. How she take get that kind of connect? Eh? If not be that now she take get her. You see what I tell you? Say make you avoid this girl.
Come, if you don't want to do this thing, just drop him. Drop him, I don't even beg you to do him. The pain what they pass through alone, don't do. You don't, come, no bunny me. Don't bunny me at all. No bunny me. No bunny me. Now you put me for this kind of mess. No bunny me.
Bunny, why you dey vex?
You chop beating for inside cell like side thief.
They beat you?
No, they massage me.
But you're not supposed to let your fellow man beat you like that.
It is crazy. You know how many way they dey inside cell? Huh? You know how many way they dey inside cell? There is 7 hardened criminal. Everybody just they beats me on top because I don't even plan enter cell. If they say I know, say I go enter, I go home money. I don't even drop anything. I saw that this code will go beat me. This. You go suffer. You go really suffer for things where they put me through.
But in that case, then you suffer. No be get woman to stand for road they talk. She still get mind leave you there. You see what I tell you? Now you are they protect. And they protect you from all these demons, all these Jezebels where you they follow. You know what say these girls and then they use Kayamata. If that girl put you for bottle, you don't finish. You know Kukus are big pray. I need to protect you.
This rubbish way they talk, you don't ever see me and woman they talk with it no make sense. I won't know. I don't ever assure you say I go get any. You don't ever see. I beg. I don't even get headache at the shouts. I they very very mad here. Person go just they suffer me for nothing. Person go just they suffer me for nothing. Marriage don't be trust. What's the essence of marriage when trust no dey?
That thing where they talk makes sense. But she know say you fine. And you going yellow. Girls know they use IC, fine yellow man. They know they use IC. Sorry.
Just shut up. In fact, don't do it again. You don't do. Don't do.
Bonnie, why I can't sleep like this? Bonnie, Bonnie, where this one go? Bonnie, oh Jesus.
Bonnie! Where the boss can't go? Bonnie! I don't even understand how I can't sleep like person wey drink yesterday. I just chop, I just sleep. Bonnie! Umaro.
Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I
dey find Oga Boni.
Eh.
Oga Boni, I don't go work tete o.
Bonnie don't go work.
Oga Boni, I don't go work. I don't go work since.
Bonnie leave me go work. Since when?
Don't go tete.
Cinema. Bonnie! Bonnie! Are you Jesus? Who blind? Is they mad? Bonnie!
Aja.
Bonnie? So that the reason why make you come up for house, you don't tell me.
Abeg, Alice, they go house. They go house first.
Make
they
me,
go house.
they go house.
Yes. What do you make you come here now?
Because now make you drug my person.
Drug which food?
Now make you drug the food where you give me. Because you won't carry girls.
Drug which food?
Bonnie, oh, if you say you know me, you for know they try me like this. You hear me? I know they normal. Bonnie.
Alice, no do this thing where you want to do.
I don't do anything, no. Hey, calm down.
Alice, don't do this thing where you want to do.
Calm down.
Alice.
Calm down.
Alice.
Calm down.
Alice.
Calm down.
Alice.
Calm down. Oh yeah. Calm down. Let's happen.
Alice.
Oh yeah. We don't carry women for a motor.
Alice, see. What did I do you now?
Out.
What did I do you?
What happened? In a place.
Come, enter motor. Enter motor.
We know they go again.
Enter motor.
Where they go now?
Enter.
What's happening now? Calm down.
What about?
You want to?
Get out of this place.
What do this one now?
Oh, guys, don't tell us I saw your boss. They are big. They come out. What's happening? Which guy will
Aṣawo. Aja. Good afternoon.
Is Boniface around?
Any problem?
Yes, he's meant to take me on a charter tomorrow.
Charter? He's not around though. But me, I know that he's taking one of my uncle on a charter as well to Benin. So he's not going to be available to carry you on your own charter.
I'm surprised though, because we have already agreed that we'll be going tomorrow.
Why are you surprised?
I came here to conclude on the terms.
Yes,
he said he will be free.
He can never be free in this life and the next life. But I will tell him that you came. Maybe he forgot. He forgot to mention. Why didn't you take flight?
Madam, but that's his job now.
I know. But now that he's not around, it's not better you get a woman that will carry you. At least both of you can be gisting on the road. Woman to woman, you know?
So what you are saying is
I say he can never be around. Can never be around.
okay. So I should go.
Madam, you want to come and sit? Come and sit. Sorry, come. Sorry, I wanted to ask what you and my husband discussing that he now agreed to carry you on a charter.
Well, that's his business.
To
carry charter now. He's doing his business.
I know. Sorry.
Okay, can I go now?
Yes, you can. Okay. Be going, Don't come back. Take care.
Okay.
Hey! Say cinema. Bonnie, you have mind though. Eh? So this is the kind of thing that you have been. You see, I'm always right. When my spirit tell me things, I should be listening to myself. So it's women you want to carry my husband on chatter. So that what will happen? You can go and shatter his life. That's the plan. Eh? On top this big nash. It can never work in this life. I soak my husband with the blood of Jesus. I soak him with the blood of Jesus. And that one that they call Bonnie, he will come and meet me here. As Nanyash don't the enter in eye.
Mami, I no be so. No be so, walai. If to say you be another person, now when I see you, I will just give you both time. Why you go do me that kind of thing now? You tell me say make I no carry chatter, so they carry you go somewhere. You don't even call me say you no go walk or we go still go. Nothing. I just did my house, sleep that day, walk and no go. You know how much I lose? Why go do me that kind of thing now?
Maybe in a network.
Which kind of network? That day I receive call, no even blame network.
Calm down now. Maybe in a network, because me, I even come your house. Your wife say you won't carry your uncle, go Bini. Say you no go get time for my chatter. Make I even find another car. Say you no go fit go. Say you no get chance. Say you no fit go. Man, go find another.
Wait. If I say my wife tell you waiting.
Now waiting she talk. That's why I can't come out. I'm even surprised, sef. I don't know what I want.
My wife tell you say they go Bini.
She say man find another car. Say you no get chance. Now waiting she talk.
Ha! This one hit my kidney.
You know talk
this one
like
hit my kidney. Talk waiting. Mamima, just they go. No, just they go first. Just they go. No issue. Alice.
Bonnie.
No Bonnie me. No Bonnie me. Alice, what have you do for this life? You don't swear say you go end my life, Abi?
Hey.
No, they send you from your village to come frustrate my life, Alice.
My husband, why you dey talk like this? Wetin I don't do again? I don't talk say today go be day of peace. No fighting, no quarreling. You can't carry quarrel, they come. Wetin happen again?
Ogu kill you for there. Swear say you don't know what you do.
Now you dey shout.
Unless wetin carry you for this life, go tell Mami Ma say I no get chance. Now your ancestor won't carry go Bini.
Now Mami Ma make you dey shout like.
And to even think say that day you ask me, Bonnie, why you know they go work today? I be work no day. I even tell you say he get person wey book me why I won't carry go chatter. You even tell me say, Omo, I not sure say the person go come. Not knowing say now you go tell that person say I dey carry your ancestors they go Bini. Alice.
Me, I don't know say you join that one, join customer. Because as far as I'm concerned, I dey do you favor. How you go carry Mami Ma with that waist when they like that? They go Bini. You know say your engine go knock for road.
Yeah. This one touch my kidney. Alice, I don't want you. I don't want you.
Bonnie,
I don't want you.
You won't beat me because of Mami Ma. You won't beat me because of waist. Cinema. You won't beat your wife because of another woman.
Okay. It go happen again.
I do you favor.
It go happen again.
Bonnie, now you I do favor. Because if that your car break down now, I dey sure say whatever she pay you, no rich money where you go take fix your tire or fix your engine. I mean, you don't know say big nash dey spoil motor. You see am? God will create us women, you know the reason why. Because you know say when I men sometimes I know they use in a sense. Woman wey in ways they like that. Are they very sure? Say you're almost doing it for free. I be like, come, how much una two been discussed? Bonnie?
If I catch you close to my mind, oh, I go break your leg, oh, I go break your leg, oh. If I see you look my papa, oh, I go break your head, oh, I go break your head, oh. Nena scaso, I know. Women they purity, jump. They want to take your own, no. If you close eyes, oh, but my eyes are open. I go there, zoom.
Boniface. So this is where you are.
I
I saw where you parked the car. God knows I've tried. I cannot implicate myself helping you. The owner of the car wants his keys. You have not remitted anything in weeks.
Okay, landlord, you know, I dey pass through many problems, so challenges for the car. Like the back axle spoiled last week. this week again, the front has to spoil. The middle has to, even the center has to. But I don't dey fix them. Once I fix and finish, I go begin remit money. Even the 2 tires as I dey drive the bus. But I know say na wetin dem dey see for car.
What is it, Boniface? Are you the only one in this life? What kind of predicament are you facing? Tell me. You are a man, Boniface. Act as one. If you were the one doing all these things, the social media will not let us rest. But please let us rest. The owner of the car wants his keys. I cannot kill myself for you or spoil my reputation with my friend because of you. No. He wants his keys. The keys. The keys, Boniface. The keys.
Okay, I beg. Just give me this week.
The keys, Boniface.
As I don't fix them now, I go begin remit the money.
Boniface,
sir, please.
The keys,
please, no verse. I beg, just tell her say the key, no there.
I said the keys.
Landlord, I beg.
Give me this key.
I beg. Landlord, I beg. Take God, beg you.
Boniface, you want to fight me?
No. Who am I to? Landlord, I beg. I take God, beg you, sir. Just give me this week. I go pay all the money. I go pay and I promise you. If not be all the car, all the spoil with the motor, they spoil. I for don't do them. Go see.
Since when? Hey!
Bonnie? Bonnie, why you can't do like this? So you see the thing that matter? Bonnie, what's happen now? You let this small thing come begin to bother you now. Every disappointment is a blessing. And that's what me I dey see am. Just forget about that one. Now this matter you see they think about. Everything will be alright. I mean, more go inside.
More go anywhere.
More go inside now.
What happen for inside? Huh? What thing they happen for inside? They share money for inside. Share you don't happy? You don't achieve what you want. What they send you come for my life? You don't achieve them. No, go carry me down now. You don't render me useless. Go carry me down because you obviously they send you to come destroy my life. You just said to get boss to drive a person. It is easy. Now I ain't gonna wash your hand finish. Carry the boss, give me. And they make small money. From nowhere you just come because scatter everything for me. You don't happy?
Honey,
you don't happy?
Why they try
me and you no get talk? Oh. Yeah, we don't get talk at all. Now when hunger, better hunger we go hook you like bow tie, go hold you, make you just mention bo, make it be me.
Bonnie.
Now that time you go know me, or make the rent expire, make me and you no get talk. When that time come, you go see me now. Now to carry my bag, generally they go canoe. Ma go my cousin place go there.
I go follow you.
You go follow who? Who you go follow?
Bonnie.
Who you go follow?
You won't leave me here. On top boss, we no good. Boss, where they push start. No worry now. I don't tell you say God go provide. You go shock you now. You go begin get better korope they drive. Or you even fit get better keke. Or even say if you get a trailer or something. There's nothing God cannot do. There's nothing God cannot do. So may you just take them easy. I beg.
You know they hear make you not touch me. You know they hear make you not touch me.
But where you they go? Only now me and you there for this thing together. Oh.
I don't understand. You say waiting. You not true. You they tell me so.
Hey, why are you acting surprised? I'm surprised you've not heard. This is the rumor flying around town, especially from your neighbors. So they said you've succeeded in making your husband hopeless, useless, jobless, all at the same time. That he's now a drunk.
Me?
I'm surprised you're hearing
Make
for the
my
first
husband
time.
hopeless and useless. You know those useless neighbors, they don't even feel get mind talk to me for my face. They for try am now. They for try am.
Be coming down, no. You don't have to blame them. It's your fault, oh. Yes, because I warned you. I told you, leave Boniface alone. Take things easy with him.
You
no,
shut up your mouth. Now you want to tell me how to take arrange my marriage now. You will never even get boyfriend. When you get boyfriend first, before we begin to talk.
Hey.
As for those useless neighbors, now me and them today.
I don't know, say you don't enter insults. Alice, no go fight again, no. This woman know the hear word. You can never advise her in this life.
Who they live for this compound no go get peace. Tenants go gossip. Landlord go gossip. Come out! Come out, oh! If you get mind, you come face me. I say make you come out. Eh? Come out! Prostitute! All of you should come out. No be say you go get mind, they talk for my back. You reach front, you don't fit talk. I say...
Who be that mad dog when they chat in your Who you find? Who you find?
No, No, I know, that's a mistake I take, not your
Come on, get up here.
Okay.
Get up here,
Sorry.
Just call them mad anyhow like this. It's another your head,
Which time this one come this compound? Person just knock for your door. You carry pesto. If I enter there, this man will kill me. He must be a ritualist. You see these useless neighbors, eh? Then go carry ritualists come make you come fight me.
They don't know say I like trouble past fight, but I know they run away from fight.
Alice, I dey get headache now. You know they tire. Your husband will come up for house since morning. You know what I see for road? You know what I pass through? You don't even say, my husband welcome, oh, wait till you go eat, oh, wait till you go drink, oh, nothing. You just add to my headache. I beg, I take God beg you. Make you rest.
My husband
Try
welcome,
rest.
oh, wait till you go eat, wait till you go drink. But you see this your neighbor, that girl. I don't know where she go see man where carry motor come out from her house. The guy thinks say I lose guard. But you know they say I don't lose guard though. I get the power.
Alice, if you just shut up for once. For once for your life. Just shut up.
Okay.
So this thing where I talk no enter your head, Abi. This thing where I just talk now. No be the right thing for you to do as a wife. As a wife. No be to tell your husband, welcome. Welcome. What do you care for?
If you know what they talk about me. If you know what they talk about
Alice,
us.
shut up. At least ask me how my day carry go. How my day carry go.
Ngwa, how your day go? You go drink water, you go eat.
Period. Now what you suppose ask? No, they find will not find you. Because if you do your own, you know go person house they talk nonsense. Better news day. Now wait till happily they come back to come share to you. You don't even allow me sit down, happily share them to you. You start complaining.
Oh yeah. I did hear what you be the news.
Ejike get one job where introduce me to. And that job, now God bring and come because the things where they the job, no be job where go stress me. And better money and free accommodation. So as it be like this now, this house rent where would they get headache for? We no go pay house rent here. We go sharply come up from this compound, go they live for there.
My God is a good God. Yes, He is. He lifts me up. He turns me around. Bunny, I thought I'm saying God, God hand there our body.
God carry a matter for head like gala for traffic. But you don't know. You see this stuff where they suffer in the name of a driving bus. You don't know say everything will happen around that your boss. Now God make them happen. You they see in hand. You dey feel am, I dey feel am. Hey, tell me something. So NGK come find you job. Omo, if they say they go give us house, that means next thing to give us car now. We will blind their eye. Oh, we will put fuel like this, splash them water.
Where did they give Gatesman car? You don't see where they give gatesman car. You no go listen to hear what they talk. You just carry car from nowhere. They for open dorm account for me. Now gatesman job, but the gatesman job no be waiting go stress me because the woman no.
Turn your mouth. Bonnie, you won't go to gatman. They swear for you.
So you no go listen, make I finish.
Listen to waiting. You leave driver work. You won't go do gatman.
No be only gatesman.
Okay.
I go be dry cleaner as well and housekeeper. The woman know the 2 day house, so it be like now just me get the duplex. Now just us go they live for there.
Bonnie, oh my God! You know, say I no go surprised if I wake up one day and hear say they do traditional marriage. You carry yourself, sit down, make me dance, finish. Say you won't go do gatman for woman.
Na mistake, na man.
Bonnie, if you like making me pikin, you don't go do am. You hear me? Don't try me.
No try you say what
Don't even think about it.
No try you say what happen. When I start the job, can't stop me now.
Bonnie, you don't go do am.
Because no. I beg, no provoke me. No provoke me. What make me dey find job today now? You cut Sam. I generally they drive my boss. They make my daily pay. You carry your wahala come. They don't collect the boss. Now God generally bring this one for me. They tell me say I no go do am.
You no go do am.
When I start, I make you stop am. I don't even get what I want. Go bring water for me. May I drink.
You won't do am, Abi. I'm gonna go do am. I wish you all the best, my husband.
Alice!
Some people just me. Some people jealous me.
Alice, what's the meaning of this?
My husband, good morning. I hope your night was good. Me, I did very good.
No, ask me stupid question. What be this?
This is when you wake up, they shout, you fight for you.
You don't dey bad? If you know what is good for you now, untie this strong nonsense. You don't forget I get interview this morning. Which kind of play be this now?
Interview. Oh, that one where you want to go work for one woman as driver / houseboy / cook. My husband. Cinema.
Alice, untie this.
No worry, just lie down. Food goes so ready. When I finish, I will come feed you.
Untie this thing one. Untie this thing two. Oh no, I go kill you. I go kill you. Alice, if it better for you, may I know what it costs her. If it better for your papa, may I know what it costs her for this life. Alice!
Wait, you bite me! Do you want to kill her? Leave him alone. No. Leave me first! No! You want to kill her? No. Hi, God! Take it easy now.
Press your neck like
You will kill me. You can press my neck.
try me.
Sleep! HK. Look, no. Boniface! No, you can start her. No, Boniface! Leave me. I'm gonna fight your wife. Leave me first. If you kill her now, I'm not gonna forgive you.
Me? I don't go forgive you too. See this goat where they try help.
Calm down.
And they try help him. They disgrace himself for public.
HK, leave me.
Leave him. So what you want to do?
Boniface, you will kill her. You will kill your wife.
No. Hey!
If you kill her now, it's me that you come and call again. Let's go. Let's go.
You start paying me. No. Leave me, I know they fight.
Yeah, let's go.
Just leave me. Leave me
Let's
first.
just be going outside.
Leave me first.
Let's go to Mama Chama's side.
God.
Let's go. Chama, take her inside.
Come ask
What
me.
question? Let's go.
You can get this smack down right now. Come here.
You go give me smackdown.
Yes.
HK, I won't quietly answer one question. Sure, so not go take time.
Yeah, stand here, answer the question. No go anywhere again.
She not go hear me.
No, stay here. Yeah, ask her.
I won't ask her.
Ask her from here. No, ask her here.
I go bite your
I
ear.
will bite your nose.
Alice, you shouldn't have done that to him.
Why?
Eh?
Why?
Not fair. It's not good.
Am I not trying to help him?
How are you trying to help him?
AGK don't carry him go. Where did they go?
Just to calm him down.
They don't play us.
Play with
AGK don't carry him go give woman.
Nah, lie. Stay on place.
Hey! Where then they go?
They're not going anywhere.
You see where he grab him? Nah plan. Nah plan.
Nah lie.
If I catch you close to my mind, no, I go break your leg, oh, I go break your leg, oh. If I see you look my papa, oh, I go break your head, oh, I go break your head, oh. Nena scaso, I know. Women they purity, jump, jump, jump. They want to take your own, no. If you close eyes, oh. But my eyes are open. I go there, zoom, zoom, zoom. 1 feet away, I go break the devil. If I catch you close to my mind, no, I go break your leg, oh, I go break your leg, oh. If I see you look my papa, oh, I go break your head, oh, I go break your head, oh. Oh, I love my husband on my little bunny face. No one can take your place. No one can take you down. Try, I will fight for you. I will die for you. I no go let any woman come and take my shine. If I catch you close to my mind, no, I go break your leg, oh, I go break your leg, oh. If I see you look my papa, oh, I go break your head, oh, I go break your head, oh. If I catch you close to my mind, no, I go break your leg, oh, I go break your leg, oh. If I see you look my papa, oh, I go break your head, oh, I go break your head, oh.
Bonnie, baby. Bonnie, I beg. I know say I don't offend you. Eh? You no gree talk to me. No gree eat my food. For days now, nothing will you gree do with me. You know say I love you. I don't miss you so much. Forgive me. Bonnie, sir, I dey on my knees, I beg you. I beg. Forgive me. See, I promise you, anything will go give you happiness, I will give you. I no go block him. I no go be stumbling block for your way. I beg. My husband. Only you I get. You know they talk to me for this house. What do you want make I do? Sorry, I beg. I will change.
Boniface, this one way you don't want shop something. I hope say everywhere they okay.
Mama, brother, I know me this food they do, you know.
Bonnie, my husband. Mwah!
Alice.
Hey!
Alice,
Miracle! You know they tired Jesus.
After.
Hey!
After now.
Okay.
Which time you're here? You supposed to know.
Alice. Better now.
Guess, just guess.
Guess what?
Guess now.
I know they mood to guess anything. What's happen?
Remember now my cousin, CJ, we come from Spain.
CJ, I know CJ now. What's in plan?
Now I tell him about our situation, no, about your boss issue. I think say maybe you go fit arrange boss where you go take the work. So I go ask me say which kind boss. See I tell you make you work for inside. Make you come take over the site too. I swear. I say what? Is this God in action? And me, I know you as sharp guy where you be. Say if you begin the work for there, at least you go begin to see small things they come. You understand? Say my carry you come. Now the matter where they so you go agree, you no go agree.
Are they crazy not to agree? when you want make us start?
Anytime when you want more go. Just ready. If not today, if not tomorrow, we go run now.
May we go see him now. May we go see him. May we lock down.
Hey. Hey.
Eh?
Funny.
Let me go feed you. Let's say
Now, like this is supposed to. Once, I supposed to give my woman treat. I pray may God they keep her like this every time.
Don't you mean I love you? I should love yourself. No problem for me. No problem for me. But I just dey happy so you dey happy.
Not be only happy, I over dey happy. You can see what happened for site today.
What happened?
Now so they call me engineer this, engineer that. Engineer, can I drop the cement here? Engineer, can I do that? Engineer, can I do that?
You!
I just say
Engineer! Oh, John, my husband, you pass engineer.
I just
you pass engineer.
They spread the shit. Because if you see me, you just say I be engineer.
I know.
You don't know say that.
You be engineer, you engineer. The engineer get too head. What do you know?
You don't say that site manager, engineer. Even some people come they tell me say, oh, engineer, can I start work? I don't get. Now today I know say people don't get work for this country. How? Plenty.
So far too much.
Say make I dey miss cement, make I say I dey do POP, I dey do ties, so make I bring quotation.
Oh.
I say so. I dey throw. I'll get back to you. Now you do this one, though. Now you do this one.
You know me, I dey very happy because you know, say I don't already know say you my soulmate. Now so God now attach me and you together. If na another man, but don't kill me, you know. He will not give me, but you see the patient. Now that I know say na me get you.
Patient, I can't even dey ask God questions. Say you talk am for Bible. Say he that findeth a wife findeth a good thing. But for my case, it be like saying I wedding.
Yeah, no. This body
make me the doubt.
This wedding na your own, no.
Betty, no need.
Hey, baby.
Top chicken. Engineer wife. The wife of engineer.
One more.
This like sweet too.
I swear.
Imagine say I get better contract to build road.
Our life done better. This chicken be like which woman fry.
I don't know how to thank you for this life. I beg, just let me talk to him.
Don't worry, I'll talk to him, okay?
I pray.
He's going to put you up.
Amen. Amen. If you see that they do my job well, talk more of when you give me more jobs. Me, I go deliver. I get strength to walk.
I can say I don't know.
Me. I get strength to walk. So I beg, and things hard. Don't be say this one the money no they come, but I need to walk to represent what's in the happen.
And you know I'm now into real estate, you're aware, right?
I know now. I know. That time save me, I believe you. Because you be the person, that kind of person when they work hard. You dey hustle die. And I'm not surprised that your situation changed. You dey hustle.
Bless God.
I beg. Just follow.
Don't worry, I'll talk to him, okay?
I beg. I take God beg you.
So how's life been treating you? How's everything? How is Alice?
We do. Alice there. We do okay. Everybody there.
You sure?
Now that's the situation of the country. Now in the.
Don't worry, I'll try and talk to him.
Alice! Why you? I think say tell me say your husband and Angel they know they talk again. I mean no be the two of them I see for roadside where they talk, where they laugh.
Which angel? Angel Gabriel abi Angel Michael?
Angel you how many angel you I know? I see them for there now. I see the two of them. Then they talk, then they laugh. They look say waiting.
Omaru, you sure? Wetin you dey talk about?
Why you Allah? I go bet? If I go bet, maybe I go tap your money.
Where you say you see them?
I see them for fight there. You don't back now.
I believe you.
Let me get going, okay?
Okay. No wahala. Thank you.
Bye. My regards to Alice.
Sure, I go tell her. That became. Hello? Jesus. Where? Hi. I come.
Alice, my friend. Alice, why now?
Maybe I used to tell you, take things easy. You refused. Why did you end it like this now? Why? Tell me why she ended it. Why? Why would she end it like this? Hi.
Hi. Hi. God.
Why everybody they cry? What's happened? God.
Why? Hi.
Bonnie, what's happened? Why you they cry? Why not they cry?
Hi. Alice, why did you end it?
Chineke, end waiting. I dey here, oh, nothing do me. Now this winch we won't follow me snatch my husband. Now I go fight. Eh? But I dey, when they see me, why not they cry?
I saw we take lost this woman.
Lost who?
This woman.
Not be me you lost, oh. I dey here, gidigba. Hey! Sam, you dey touch my husband's hand. Come on your hand. This girl no wear bra. What do you do for here? Hey, you dey squeeze the hand. You dey squeeze am. Sam, you dey rub am. You dey Bonnie.
Hey.
Come out for there. Sam, oh Jesus. Sam, she dey squeeze am. Hey. No!
I'm sorry.
Let me go and get my clothes out.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus. My chest.
Check me that before I just die. Don't touch my bed.
I don't know how I want to thank you. Like this, Nana, you be my God sent. No, if no be you, I for just the waka the whole of Lagos doing nothing.
It's okay.
Angel, I want to thank you. I want to thank you.
But trust me, I wish I can do more. You're
There
very
no
good
be
man.
do more. You don't do enough. You don't do enough.
It's okay.
And God will bless you.
It's alright.
God will bless you.
You deserve the best. You're an amazing man. Every woman's choice. And you're really hardworking. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's alright.
God bless you. Thank
What
you.
is this? It's alright.
Yeah, what do you want make I talk now? What
It's
you want
alright.
make I
Come
talk?
here. It's alright.
Thank you. Thank
It's
you.
alright.
Thank you.
Yeah, take care of
Thank
yourself,
you.
okay?
God bless you.
And be good.
Yeah, you should too. Thank you.
Bye. Boniface. You look nervous. Is everything okay with you?
Yes. Everything be okay. Everything be okay. Though you don't really do okay now. Something will bother me. If the team be say, since when they show me care, they do everything for me. As my life they like this now, I don't the reason make I give love a chance. So As it be like this now, you know, get another person where I dey close. If no be you, so me I can't dey wonder if you go marry me.
Only face.
No!
Hey, thank God. Thank God. Doctor! Oh God. God, you're alive. Hi. Doctor! For 2 days now, you don't need sleep. Sleep. You don't need sleep. Wait, make I call doctor. Make I call doctor. Make I call doctor. Make I call doctor. Doctor! So now all these things you see go back. But now because of now something where you dey think of before. I don't tell you this thing. I promise you for altar before God and man. Say I no go cheat on you. And God knows say since when I marry you, I no dey look any woman. Now you just dey suffer yourself. Now you just dey think too much. Say me and woman get anything to do, which I no carry am for mind. I no carry am for mind. This angel wey cause this whole thing. Angel na just normal friend. God in heaven bear me witness. She no carry anything for mind. Me, I no carry anything for mind. Na just person wey wan help me. We dey for compound here. All of us dey greet each other. Go her own way, me I go my own. Angel wey be say next month she go marry. Yes, you get person wey wan marry am. And they are very, very serious in love. Not just person where they help me. I don't talk this thing, still you know why I'm here. Now see, if to say your life, if I to say I lose you now, what you have for talk? What you for talk when you reach gate of hell? Because na hellfire you go. You go tell them to say you dey fight who no fight you. What you for talk? That's the way you dey fight for. Make you know say person wey die, life go go on. Oh. Life go go on.
My husband, you dey very right. First of all, I want to thank God we carry man like you give me as husband. And I want to thank you too for all the patience and all the love wey you don show me. Because true, I know say all the things wey I don't do, you don't reach when man go pursue woman for house. But you no pursue me. You still stay with me. You still forgive me. You know say for my life, I no ever imagine say I go fit marry man like you. I suffer before I see husband. It can't be seen a person like you. So now fear na come do me. Why I come the fear say make I no go, make I no go let somebody go come collect everything in my hand. Now that fear na come make me begin the run kitty, the run kata, they fight everybody where I see we find small around you. I know say for marriage, love and trust they go hand in hand. You understand? But no be say I no trust you, now just fear. And this fear I can't go overdo am. See me now. What to say I die? What if it happen? She na for the other side, now I go come begin the fight up and down. I been at this one now when my leg don't break. Now I won't begin to follow you up and down. Go they fight who no fight me. Bonnie, I love you. I love you so much. I mean you no vex for me. I promise you all those misbehavior, it no go happen again. I beg.
Me, I don't feel vex for you. I just dey talk all these things, make you for. I believe say this thing will happen now to change you.
And don't touch me. And don't touch me.
I know, sir.
I know.
I think you know the fear now. Me too, I don't believe say I go marry person like you. I don't believe. Because you dey give me rest of mind. Now just since we pack come here, come be say you see plenty people here, we get fight up and down.
Don't learn my lesson. And don't touch me. I don't learn my lesson.
My phone dey ring, man, I know who they call. Alright? You don't ask me who they call me. Let me say it already changed.
My sweetie, what do you want? 'Cause everything I have belongs to you. My honey, what are you looking for? 'Cause no one else can take me away. Try, you are my sweet melody, my harmony, my sweetie, my everything. You are my sweet melody, my harmony. I will always love you just the way you are. Oh, be more. Why are you you fighting for what you already own? Alice, yeah. Why you dey worry when you are the only one I see? You have my heart. I need your trust. My lover, my sweetie. Nobody else can take your place. Nobody else can take your place. My lover, baby, yeah, sweetie. No one else can love me like you do. At least you are my lover, hey. My lover, my sweetie. Nobody else can take your place. My lover, my sweetie, yeah. No one else can love me like you do. No one else can love you. You are my sweet melody, my harmony, my sweetie, sweetie, my. Ojewe, Ojewe, Onyok, Ojewe, 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 Onyok, Ojewe. Alice, yeah, you know they tire, you know they tire, oh. Any woman you see close to Bonnie, that's how you go fight her. I be you know they tire, I know go tire. I be you know they tire, I know go tire. Anywhere you enter, that's also wahala you dey cause. Oh, Alice, yeah, Alice, yeah, Alice, yeah, Alice, yeah. Sukwanike, Alice, yeah, Alice, yeah, Alice, yeah, Alice, yeah. Sukwanike, Ojewe, Alice, yeah, Ojewe, Onyok, Ojewe. If she see